The idea of this activity is to provide an engaging and entertaining way for students to learn about the different types of rocks. Students typically enjoy learning with hands on activities, and the use of food is always fun. While going through the process of this activity, students will use a plastic sandwich bag filled with chocolate morsels, a hammering device, hot water, cold water, and a science journal or a teacher created recording sheet to document the process of today's science experience. Hi, I'm Miss West from St. Mary's Magnet Academy. Today we're going to study earth science using morsels to represent the edible rock cycle. You can use any type of morsels you like. I chose chocolate chip, chocolate morsels, white chocolate morsels, and peanut butter morsels to represent the different types of sediment today. Sediment, which consists of minerals and or organic particles that accumulate into solid pieces, is formed by weathering and erosion in an area and then is transported to a place of deposition by water, ice, mass movement, or glaciers. Sediment will then settle in layers, producing sedimentary rocks. I'm going to apply heat and pressure using my hand. Now, maybe I'm not as strong as some of you guys, so I'm going to use a book as a helping tool to smash my morsels. And this is going to create the sediment for my rocks. Now that made it a little bit easier for me to smash. I'm applying heat and pressure. And we know that metamorphic rocks are formed by heat and pressure. So this is representing my metamorphic rock. And there we have it, our metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks arise from the transformation of existing rock types in a process called metamorphism, which means change in form. An original rock is subjected to heat and pressure and undergoes a physical and or chemical change resulting in a metamorphic rock. Next, I've added a cup of hot water, and I'm going to take my plastic bag of morsels and put it in another bag because I'm sure I probably poked holes in it when I was using my book. Now I have my metamorphic rock, and I'm going to place them in hot water. So this is, if I have it warm enough, it's going to melt my morsels to create my lava, which would make the igneous rocks for me. I see them melting. Let me move that a little closer so you guys can see also. Now, because this is hot water, we want to be very careful not to burn ourselves. Now, the chocolate morsels, where the combination of morsels just came out of the hot water, that created our lava or magma. Now we're going to take that and let it cool in our ice water. Now this will be our crystallizing process to harden the lava or magma, forming our igneous rocks. And I can let that sit in there a little while longer to get a little more firm. And there you have it, our igneous rock. Igneous rocks, from the Greek word for fire, form when hot molten rock or magma crystallizes and solidifies. So now we've completed the rock cycle process. We started with sediment to form from our sedimentary rocks. Then we apply heat and pressure to form our metamorphic rock. We apply extreme heat and then allowed it to go through the cooling process to form our igneous rocks. And you could actually repeat this process over again to show your students how the rock cycle continues.